Hi students, how are you all? Today's topic is Archimedes principle. अब यह Archimedes कौन है? Archimedes is a great Greek mathematician. उनके बारे में एक बहुत अच्छा कहानी प्रचलित है. वो कहानी एक्चुअली Archimedes प्रिंसिपल से रिलेटेड ही है. तो पहले जानते वो कहानी क्या है. बहुत दिन पहले एक राजा था. वो राजा ने एक बार सोचा मैं एक क्राउन बनवाऊंगा. क्राउन तो आप समझते हैं ना, सर में पहनने वाला. वो क्राउन बनवाएंगे और वो क्राउन पूरा गोल्ड से बना हुआ होगा. फाइन, प्योर गोल्ड से बना हुआ क्राउन होना चाहिए. तो इन्होंने कांटेक्ट किया एक क्राफ्टमैन के साथ जो बहुत अच्छा से क्राउन को डिजाइन करता था. तो उन्होंने वो क्राफ्टमैन को बोला कि आप मेरे लिए एक क्राउन डिजाइन करो जो कि पूरा गोल्ड से बना होना चाहिए और जो कि बहुत कॉस्टली, बहुत ही सुंदर होना चाहिए. तो कुछ दिन बाद वो क्राउन बनके रेडी हुआ. बट राजा को कुछ डाउट हुआ कि क्या वो क्राउन पूरा प्योर गोल्ड से बना हुआ है. क्या वो क्राउन में जो मटेरियल यूज किया गया, आई मीन दैट गोल्ड, इज इट प्योर गोल्ड और कोई चिप मटेरियल को मिक्स किया गया. तो राजा ने कांटेक्ट किया एक मैथमेटिशियन के साथ जिनका नाम था आर्किमिडेस. राजा ने उनको बताया कि आप तो इतना इंटेलिजेंट हो, आप कुछ ऐसा तरीका सोचो जिससे कि ये पता चल सके कि ये क्राउन में कुछ मिलावट तो नहीं है, मतलब प्योर गोल्ड से बना हुआ है कि नहीं. तो आर्किमिडेस इस बारे में सोचने लगे, बहुत सोचने लगे. बट उनको कोई आइडिया क्लिक नहीं कर रहा था. कोई आइडिया नहीं आ रहा था कि किस तरह से उसको प्रूफ कर पाए कि इसमें कितना मटेरियल प्योर है और कितना मिक्सअप है. तो ऐसे बहुत दिन गुजर गए. एक बार क्या हुआ, आर्किमिडेस नहा रहे थे. वो नहा रहे थे और नहाने के लिए आर्किमिडेस एक बड़ा सा बाथटब यूज करते थे. बाथटब जिसमें पानी, वो पूरा पानी भरते थे और फिर वो बाथटब के अंदर जाते थे. तो एक दिन उन्होंने ये नोटिस किया कि जब वो बाथटब पानी से पूरा भरा हुआ था और जब वो पानी बाथटब में पहुंचे, अंदर गए, तो इन्होंने ये नोटिस किया कि कुछ अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर बाथटब से बाहर गिर गया. ये ऑब्वियसली ये तो सिंपल सा बात है. अगर कोई कंटेनर फुल पानी से भरा हुआ होगा और आप कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट को इसमें डालते हो तो ऑब्वियसली कुछ पानी बाहर निकलता है. तो उसी से उनको ग्रेट आर्किमिडेस प्रिंसिपल का आइडिया क्लिक कर गया कि इसी से वो राजा की उस प्रॉब्लम को, मतलब इसमें कितना मटेरियल मिक्स्ड है, क्या मिक्स है कि नहीं, क्या प्योर है, उनका थ्योरी और उनको सॉल्व करने का तरीका उनको समझ में आ चुका था. एक्चुअली वहीं पे जन्म हुआ आर्किमिडेस प्रिंसिपल का. तो यह आर्किमिडेस प्रिंसिपल है क्या, हम डिस्कस करेंगे अभी. और आर्किमिडेस प्रिंसिपल को जानने के लिए दो चीज जानना बहुत जरूरी है. फर्स्ट, द वेट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. वेट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट हम जानते हैं, फिर भी हम थोड़ा सा डिस्कस कर लेंगे. वेट ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट, and one more term is required, that is called displaced liquid. So what is called weight of an object and what is called displaced liquid, ये दो वर्ड का मतलब समझेंगे और इन दोनों वर्ड के मतलब से हम समझेंगे what is called Archimedes principle. Let's start. Weight is not a new term for us. We know what is called weight. Weight means the amount of force by which Earth's surface attracts a body. Understood? Say, this is the Earth's surface. Fine. Here is an object. Okay. Now, Earth's surface attracts that object. We know that if you jump, where will you go? You will come down to the surface of Earth. Fine. So, the object will come here, downward, because Earth will attract it. Okay. The force by which Earth attracts it, the amount of force by which earth attracts a body, that force is called weight of an object. Understood? Say you are jumping from a height 4 meter or 5 meter. Understood? You are jumping from a height of 5 meter. Where will you go? Up or down? Yeah, you will come down. Why you are coming down? You will say gravity. Yeah, obviously gravity. Because earth surface attracts you. Earth attracts you. Not only you, any object. Say this pen. Why it's falling down? Because earth attracts it. Okay? So the force by which earth attracts an object, that force is called weight of an object. Okay? So what do we know? Weight means the amount of force by which earth attracts. Now tell me, what is the unit of force? Yeah, in CGS system, unit of force is dyne. In SI system, unit of force is Newton. And since force and weight are same here, so the unit of weight in CGS is also dyne. Unit of weight in SI is also Newton. Understood? So this is weight. Now the question is that how to calculate weight of an object? Very simple. To calculate weight of an object, we'll use this formula. Just see, weight equal to mass into gravity. We'll use this formula. Again, we can write, instead of mass, we can write volume into density. The volume of that object into density of that object. So volume into density into gravity. So these are the formula to find the weight of an object. So weight means the amount of force by which earth attracts an object. Okay? And what are the units of force? That are the unit of weight. Fine. How to calculate weight? Weight equal to mass into gravity. Fine. If mass is given, if I give you the mass 5 kg, then what is the weight? Weight equal to mass into gravity. Gravity is 9.8. We know that. If you multiply it, you will get weight. Say mass is not given. Then we use this formula, volume into density into gravity. What is the volume of that object? What is the density of that object? And what is the value of gravity? Just multiply them, you will get the weight of an object. It's very simple. Now what is displaced water? Displaced water or displaced liquid का मतलब हम ऑलरेडी जानते हैं. जैसे कि I told you the story कि जब आर्किमिडीज वो बर्थ टब के अंदर जा रहे थे, जब वो बर्थ टब के अंदर पहुंचे तो क्या हुआ, बर्थ टब में जो पानी था कुछ पानी बाहर निकल गया. इसी को बोला जाता है डिस्प्लेस्ड वाटर. कुछ समझते इसके बारे में बाय ड्रॉइंग दैट. सी से you have taken a container, fine, simple container, and we are filling it by water or any liquid, milk, kerosene, mustard oil, any liquid. Say I'm taking water because free में मिल जाता है ना. So water ले लेते हैं, एकदम water ले लिए इतना तक. Fine. Now what you are doing? You are taking a ball made up of iron. An iron ball I am taking. So when you are taking this iron ball, you will see that some amount of water is falling down now. Yeah. Some amount of water will come out from the container, obviously. Now if I ask you how much water is coming out, okay, that much water means the volume of this water equal to volume of this ball or the volume of that object which you have immersed. Understood? So what I said, the total volume, okay, volume of this plus volume of this equal to the volume of this object. Fine. Another example. Again I have taken another container. Okay. Now I am not filling completely by water. I am taking this much water now. Okay. Only this much water I have taken. The same ball you take now. Okay. Same ball you immersed completely. The ball is immersed completely. You will notice that the level of water which was here, now the level of water will go there. Okay. The level of water will go up. Understood? Means first it was here, now it is here. Why? Because the liquid or the water is displaced by this object. Displaced by this object. And as I told you, the volume of this much water, okay, the volume of this much water is equal to the volume of this object. Fine. This is called displaced liquid or displaced water. Means whatever the liquid you are using, you can say that displaced water, or if you are using another liquid, then displaced liquid. No problem. Understood? Now let us consider a container, the same container. Okay, that is the vessel I have taken, and in that vessel this much water is there. Fine. So this is the water level. Water. Fine. Now I am taking that the same iron ball. Okay. Same iron ball. Say this is the iron ball, and where is it iron ball? The ball is in air, not in the water now. The ball is in the air. Here we will measure its weight. Okay. Say the weight of the ball is say 5 Newton. We know Newton is the unit of weight, SI unit of weight. So I took out the weight of the ball in air and I got 5 Newton. Fine. Now the same ball I am going to immerse here. Say this is the ball now. Fine. I am taking the ball, iron ball, and I am putting it on the surface of water, means the liquid which you have taken, and you will see that the ball is going down. The ball is here now. Okay. And what will you observe? The water level will go up. The water is going up. Okay. So first it was here. Now the water level is here. Okay. What is this called? Yes, displaced liquid. Okay. Now in this condition, again you take out the weight of this ball in water. Fine. First, where we took out the weight? Air. Now again you have to take out the weight of the same ball in water. Because why I am saying water? Because I am using water here. If you use any liquid, then you will mention the name of that liquid. Very simple. So now I am measuring the weight of this ball in this liquid. Okay, in the same condition. You will see that the weight of the ball is coming like 4 Newton. Yeah, the same ball when it was at air, it was 5 Newton. The same ball when you are measuring inside water or inside the liquid, the weight is reduced. Yes, the weight will reduce, decrease, and it is 4 Newton now. How much weight is decreased? First it was 5, now it is 4. How much is decreased? 1 Newton. Understood? So what is the decrease? 1 Newton. And you know what? This 1 Newton is the weight of this displaced liquid. Understood? This 1 Newton is the weight of this displaced liquid. Weight of displaced liquid. Okay, this 1 Newton. And this is Archimedes principle. Okay, so Archimedes principle states that when an object is immersed in a liquid, fully or partially, okay, when an object is immersed in a liquid, fully or partially, then its weight reduces. Then how much reduction is there? How much it has reduced? That is the weight of the liquid displaced by that object. Understand? I repeat. When you are going to immerse an object in a liquid, partially or fully, then its weight, you will see that the weight is reducing. Weight will reduce. And the reduced weight, how much weight is reduced? That is the weight of the displaced liquid by that object. This is Archimedes principle. So I hope you understood Archimedes principle. Now we will see some numericals based on Archimedes principle, but not in this video. For that, the link of that video where we will do some numericals on the base Archimedes principle, you will get the link of that video in description box. You must check that. Thank you.